Hi, it's me, for Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. This is one of those Chinese mini lathes. How accurate is it? Well, let's just see how well centered it is. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there, just like that, and tighten it. That is good and tight. And then I slide that to there like that. And I'm going to tighten it. Well, if I can get the darn thing to tighten. There we go. That is pretty tight. And tightened up the two screws on the back. So, how accurate is it? Let's maneuver that a little bit closer. Oh, that's really looks pretty good from here, but I think there might be a gap. No? That's actually looking better than I thought it would. But let's just see what it looks like there. That is actually really quite good. It is centered. That surprises me. I'm blown away. I was expecting it to be way out. And it's centered that way. It's centered that way. Yeah. Full marks.